Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter straight line, and in that chapter we discussed about the condition of congruent of three lines, and we discussed some important questions based on that topic. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about the some new topic of that chapter, which is a line parallel and perpendicular to a given line. So dear student, today we are going to discuss about the topic lines parallel and perpendicular and parallel and perpendicular to a given line. Okay, to a given line. Dear student, today we are going to discuss the new topic of that chapter, which is lines parallel and perpendicular to a given line, which is very important topic for your syllabus. Today first we discuss about the line parallel to a given line. In going to discuss that topic, in first we discuss about the line parallel to a given line. Okay, line parallel to a given line. Today we are going to discuss line parallel to a given line. Let's see a theorem based on that topic, and the theorem is prove that the equation of a line prove that the equation of a line parallel to a given line parallel to a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0. Dear student, where lambda is a constant, where lambda is a constant. Dear students, this is the very important formula for that topic. Let's see once more time. We have to show that the equation of a given line, parallel to a given line, this okay, is ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is a constant. First of all, dear student, we take let n be the slope of the given line. Okay, now let's see its proof. Dear student, first let us consider m be the slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, first of all, dear student, we take as let m be the slope of the given line, then m is equal to what, minus a upon b, because of you know that in a straight line, in any straight line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the slope of the given line is what, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So here, dear student, the coefficient of x is a and here coefficient of y is b. So dear student, in that equation of line, the slope of the given line is minus a upon b. Okay, now we have to find that now the required line is parallel to the given line, so the slope of that line is also, the slope of the given line is also equal to the slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, because of in previous topic we discussed about that if the slopes of two lines are equal to each other, then lines are parallel to each other. So then we can say that the required line is parallel to the given line, since we can write in this way the required line is what? The required line is parallel to the line what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then what? Their slope will be same. Okay, so the slope of the required line, then the slope of the required line, what? The slope of the required line is equal to m, that is minus a upon b. Because of the student, when two lines are parallel to each other, then you know that very well, if two lines are parallel to each other, then the slope of the required line is also equal to minus a upon b. Okay, now let c1 be the y-intercept of the required line. Okay, now let c1 be the y-intercept of the let c1 be the y-intercept of the required line. Okay, let c1 be the y-intercept of the required line. Then its equation will be what? You know that y is equal to mx plus c. So here, dear student, what I put? We have to put that y is equal to m. M is the same as the slope of the given line, that is minus a upon b into x, and here we put as c1. Now after solving them, let's see. Dear students. Now after taking the LCM, we have what? by is equal to minus ax, by minus ax plus bc1. Okay, now we have to write ax plus by. Okay, now we have to write ax plus by minus bc1 is equal to 0 now here, or we can write ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is equal to minus bc1. Because of this is a constant, so we take as lambda is equal to minus bc1. So dear students, hence proved our result. So hence, dear students, we can say that a line, the equation of the line parallel to a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by the relation ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Let's see once more time. First of all, dear students, we have a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in our question, and we have to show that the equation of a line this is parallel to that line is given by the relation this, where lambda is the constant. Now first of all, dear students, in going to prove that theorem, first we take as let us consider let small m be the slope of the given line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And we know that very well in previous class also, the slope of the given line, the slope of the given line is what? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. We know that very well. M is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now what I do? In this way, first of all, we find the slope of the given line. Hence, we have minus a upon b. Here, a be what? Coefficient of x. B is what? Coefficient of y. Now, let's see. Now the required line. Dear student, since the required line is parallel to the given line, so dear student, if two lines are parallel to each other, then their slope will be same. So the required line is parallel to the given line. So the slope of the required line is also equal to the same as the slope of the given line, that is minus a upon b, and we take as let c1 be the y-intercept of the required line. So in this way we get the slope of the required line is minus a by b, and we take as the c1 be the y-intercept of the required line. So in this way the equation of line will be y is equal to mx plus c, and we have to put m is equal to minus a by b and c is equal to c1. Okay, after that we simplify that equation, we get this, and after now here we take as we put lambda is equal to minus b c1. So in this way the equation of a line parallel to a given line is given by the relation ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, dear student, this is one of the most important topic of your syllabus, so please do more and more practices of that type of theorems. Now dear students, we take one more theorems based on that topic, and after completed that theorem, now we take questions based on each and every theorem. Now let's see next theorem, dear students, based on that topic. Now let's see next theorem. Your theorem is now discuss about topic line perpendicular to a given line. Next topic is line perpendicular to a given line. Okay, now the theorem based on that topic means line perpendicular to a given line. Let's see. Prove that the equation of a line prove that the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line perpendicular to a given line ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0 where lambda is a constant, Let's see its proof here, student. Dear student, this is one of the most important theorem or topic of your syllabus. Let's see. Here we have to show that proof that the equation of a given line perpendicular to a given line is this where lambda be a constant. Dear student, first let us take let m1 be the slope of the given line. Okay, let m1 be the slope. Let us consider m1 be the slope of the given line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and m2 be the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line. Okay, perpendicular to the given line. Okay, dear student, let us take first of all we take m1 be the slope of the given line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 because this is the given equation of line, and we take as m2 be the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line. Now dear student, you know that then m1 is equal to m1 is equal to what? Minus a upon b. You know that very well, because of the slope of a line is given by minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now, dear student, the slope of the required line is what? We know that when two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slope, the product of their slopes are equal to minus 1. Since since we write as, since both lines are what? Perpendicular to both lines are perpendicular to each other. Both lines are perpendicular to each other, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus a upon b. So here we put as m1 is equal to what? Sorry, m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. So here we have to put the value of m1 is what? Minus a upon b, into m2, find that, and minus 1. So we have as what? m2 is equal to what? Plus b upon a. In this way, dear students, we find the slope of the required line is what? B by a. Thus the slope of the required line is what? Plus b upon a. Okay, and let C1 be the y-intercept of the given line. Okay, and let us consider, let C1 be the y-intercept of the given line. Then the equation of the required line, then the equation of the required line will be what? Here, students, from the formula of y is equal to mx plus c. Here we put as m as m2 and c as c1. Now we put the value of m2 and m2. Now let's see. Now we have to show that we have to put as y is equal to what? The value of m2 is what? B upon a. X write as it is, and plus c1. Now we have what? ay is equal to bx plus c1. Now we have to write what? Bx minus ay, bx minus ay plus c1 is equal to 0. Now we take as c1 is equal to lambda. Okay, now here we take as a as LCM, so ay, here bx is ac1 na. So ac1, right here ac1. Now, or we can write bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is constant, which is equal to ac1. Okay, where lambda is equal to a c1 or c2, c only, you can say that c. So here the required equation of line perpendicular to a given line is equal to bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is equal to a c1, which is a constant, which is what? Constant value. Thus, dear students, in this way we can get our result. Now let's see once more time. Dear student, in going to derive that type of theorem, we have to show that what the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line is equal to bx perpendicular to a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by the relation bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0. Dear student, in going to derive that type of equations, that type of theorem, first of all we take, let m1 be the slope of the given line. First of all we take as, let m1 be the slope of the given line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and let m2 be the slope of the line perpendicular to a given line, which is equal, let m2. Now this student, first of all we find the slope of the given line, that is m1 is equal to what? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. In this way we get minus a by b. Now Dear student, if in previous classes we are already discussed about that topic, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slope, the product of their slope is equal to -1. So here we apply that condition. So m1 is find as minus a upon b, and m2 be the slope of the required line. So first of all, we find the slope of the required line, that is m2 here. Now we find the value of m2 is b upon a. Now so in this way, the slope of the required line is b by a, and let c1 be the slope of y-intercept of the required line. So in this way, the equation of the required line y is equal to m2 plus m2x plus c1. This is the equation of line in slope intercept form. You know that in previous class we discussed about that topic. Now in that equation we put the value of m2 in this way. Now after solving them we get this result, and we take ac1 is equal to lambda, which is constant. So in this way we have to show that both the theorems. Okay, now dear students, we take some question based on each and every theorem and solve it. Let's see, dear students. Let's see a question. And the question is, find the equation of line. Find the equation of line which is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and passes through the point through the point 5 minus 6. Dear student, this is one of the most important questions of your exercise or topic. You say that. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all, here what we find the equation of line which is parallel to the given line and passes through the point. Dear student, the given line, first of all, we write given equation of line is what? 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then take equation number 1. Then the required equation of line, which is parallel to the equation 1 is given by what? Is given by 3x minus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0. Dear students, you know that if a given equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the equation of line parallel to that line is equal to ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0. So here, student, the given equation of line is what? 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then the required equation of line which is parallel to the given line is given by the relation 3x minus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0. Here lambda be some constant. Okay, now take equation number 2. Now dear student, since passes parallel and passes through the point, and the required equation is a required line is passes through point this na, and since the line 1, here we take equation number 2. Here, since the line 2 is passes through the point passes through the point what? 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. Then it must be satisfy the equation 2. Then from equation 2, then from equation 2 we get what I get? We put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 6. So we get 3 into what? 5. We means x means 5 minus 2 into y means what? Minus 6 plus lambda is equal to 0. So we get 3 5 is 15 plus 6 2 is 12 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now we get as 27 plus lambda is equal to 0. So the lambda is equal to minus 27. So in this way, first of all, we find the value of lambda as minus 27. Now from equation 2, thus from equation 2 we get what? We put the value of lambda as minus 27 in that equation of line. So we get as 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of line. This is the required equation of line which is parallel to the given line and passes through the point 5 minus 6. This is the 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the very important question, dear students. So you do more and more practices of that type of question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take a small question based on the next topic and we discuss them. Let's see. Similarly, a question is find the equation of line. Find the equation of line that passes through the point the point 3 4 and perpendicular to line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Dear student, you know that the equation of line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is given by what? 2x minus 3y plus lambda is equal to 0. Take equation number 1. Dear student, you know that very well, na? The equation of line perpendicular to a given line is bx minus ay plus lambda is equal to 0. So here we write in this way, and this equation is passes through the line, and that line passes through the point this, na? Now since 3 4 line first passes through the point what? 3 4. Then from equation 1, first what I get? 2 into, we satisfy that value, 3 minus 3 into 4 plus lambda is equal to 0. So we get 6 minus 4 3 are 12 plus lambda is equal to 0. So minus 6 plus lambda is equal to 0, that is lambda is equal to plus 6. Now since from 1 the required equation of line 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is our required answer. Let us take 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes. Thus, dear students, today we discuss some new topics of that chapter, and we discuss 2 theorems now, and we take and solve 2 important questions based on each and every theorem. Now, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now in next class we discuss about some new topics of that chapter. Okay, thank you.